So we will be going over first time you have a router, okay? So for people who will be looking at this on YouTube, that would be helpful to have in front of you either the handout, but just try to get in front of you the slides on your computer while looking at these. The handout will be good for you because you can look at the routing table and things like that at the same time, okay? So for the people who are in, try to stop me whenever something that would be helpful, because a question that you may ask someone from the YouTube people, okay, would like to ask it. Okay, they will be grateful to you if you ask them, if you ask the question. So let's start with this, okay? And let me tell you what will be different from what we did so far. If you remember, so far, each time we got to the IP dance, right? We said, first, is it for me, right? When IP receives something, or anyway, it receives something to send or receive, it's the same thing. Is it for me? Oh, it's for me, then I try to push it up the layers, okay? Oh, it's not for me. Second question, is it local? If it's local, I just need to find the MAC address and deliver it, okay? Now, what will be happening here is that when it's not local, that means it's on another network, meaning it has to go through a router, okay? Which means I have to go and look in some routing table and find which router should I give this thing to, okay? And then I would say, oh, I need to go to that router, for which I will have its IP address, okay? I will know the IP address. And of course, the question would be, I want to send that to that router, but if I want to send it to the router, I need its MAC address, and so that's what will be changing, okay? So let's start on this, and it says we are doing a telnet A, so it's slide number, which slide is that? Oh, I don't have the number, but it's the router case, right?
Page 5, yeah. Page 5 in the notes.
Okay, yeah, it's page 5, which would be about the 10th slide, okay? So